Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your MXQ Pro Android TV box. As you can see now, I am on the home page of the TV box. To reset your TV box, just go to the setting here, and then you will find the word storage and reset. Just select on it, and now you can see the word factory data reset, and select on it, and now it reminds you the factory reset will erase everything inside your TV box. Just go down to the confirm once more time, factory data reset, and erase everything. And now the TV box is restarting, and okay, now it's back to the home page after it resetting everything. And that's all for today's video of how you can reset your MXQ Pro into the factory setting. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.